Welcome everyone back again to another tutorial on this channel. In this video we talk about how you can fix when the personal hotspot on your iPhone seems to be grayed out or just non-functional. So what are your options in this situation? So there are a few reasons for it. First of all, you want to make sure that obviously you have the SIM card installed and all the things set up properly, because on this device right here I don't even have a SIM card in here, so it cannot work to share a Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. So that's like a first thing, of course. And you should also pay attention to your carrier and the plan that you're using for this, because there are like different plans and so many different options depending on the carrier you go with. But the point is that some of them may not allow data sharing. So if this is just not possible, there's nothing wrong with your device, but your carrier simply didn't allow you to do it. So there's not much what you can do about it unless you switch to a different plan or you get in touch with them to see if they confirm it or let you know what's going on. Or perhaps they allow you to switch it to something else, but this is likely the most possible situation, right? Even if you have like dual SIM, make sure to switch the data to the SIM that supports it, because otherwise, as I say, it's not going to work. So this is likely the main reason why it doesn't work for you. Obviously, still perform some sort of resets and update to the latest iOS and all the good stuff, but very likely I think that it's going to be because of this. So I hope you found this video helpful. I hope that I gave you at least a little bit of an idea of what to do and how it could work. But yeah, that's going to be about it for this video. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, and I'm going to catch you later on in the next tutorial.